Hi viewers, I am Hafiz Rashid from digital channel of PakMicro YouTube.com. We are now today are studying decoding of IR remote in Arduino UNO. First of all, we will study how the the Arduino IDE is installed. You should install Arduino IDE from internet and then install it on your PC. The window will be open for it in the sketch as like this. You are seeing with pink in the top left, and there is keys to control, to write, and to find libraries, install libraries, include libraries. The first line we have included IR remote library IRemoteH.h. From our tools, we will select this is the tool. As we select it, there are some writings as you see. Getting started or reference, it is tool. This is the tool. As we click it, this is auto farming, archive, sketch, fix, encoding, manage libraries, and serial monitor. Then there is Arduino board, port COM. We will use in this sketch the port COM 10. Our board COM is port 10. It will be selected from here as we click the tools. Then we select this port COM, and from here we will select it COM 10. Then we will again from tools come to the board. We select our board. Our board is boards manager, Arduino AVR boards, and then finally this is our board Arduino UNO, and then we select it. This is the library which we include over here. From the tools, we will go manage libraries. As we select it, there will be open and window for libraries. There we will write IRemote.h and then search for it and install it from there. Then this line will be written in your sketch. First line. The next line is find IR receiver, a hash include IR remote dot hppv. It's the library. Then we will write hash define IR receiver pin A0. This is the pin we select from the Arduino for receiving signals from the IR remote. Then in the fifth line, 4 will be not written. This is not written, 2 will be not written. This is space will be open. Then void setup. Then we will write void setup. As we start to write and select from files a new window, then this is the file new window. There will be as like this to write our sketch. We can easily remove all these by selecting it and cutting it, deleting it. I have already written and make all these processes for your convenience to avoid our time, to save our times. This we close it. This is the void setup loop. There is a bracket, circular brackets, opposite brackets written. Then there will be a wrinkled bracket. Its face is to the right. The next sixth line is serial begin bracket 9600 bracket 1 close and then terminator. This is the baud rate for our program. This is in the void setup we write program, small program, fixed program to start the IR remote and receiver. This line will be written after serial begin 9600. In the 7th line we will write IR receiver dot begin IR. These are the capital words. This is underscore. These are the capital words. Where are written the capital words, we will write capital. Where are small words used, we will use small ABC, etc. Then it's enable LED feedback and terminate. This is written start the receiver. This line is written for to start the receiver. The end there is start the revert. Then there is a eighth line, IR receiver dot enable IR in. This is the IR in, not LN. This is IN in. Then we will write the brackets and semicolon, and this is the line to start the receiver again. Then we come down in the while loop to write the while loop. There is another bracket, wrinkle bracket. Its face is towards left. These are in couples, always in couple of two. This is the right face bracket, and this is the left face bracket. This is a couple in these, in the sketch of IR receiver is written in these in between. Then while loop, here is on the 12th line. These lines are, this line is spare, 9 line is spare, nothing should be written in this. This is space, and this is this again space. Then wide loop, brackets and wrinkle bracket again. As we are starting our main code in this set, in these lines, we are writing our main code to get our decoding, IR remote decoding of different keys, codes of different keys from the serial monitor with the help of serial monitor. This is written as if bracket IR receiver dot decode brackets, and then this is again a bracket. These are also in pairs. This is one pair, and it is, this bracket is face towards right, and its second bracket is this face towards left. Then bracket, wrinkle bracket, serial dot print ln. This is ln. This is in. This is ln, small l, small n. Then bracket IR receiver dot decoded IR data dot decoded raw data. This is a very important line to know the to get the code of our remote keys. Then in the next line 15 it is written IR receiver dot print IR result short IR result short bracket and serial and then bracket close and semicolon. This is the delay time in our keys pressing 1000. This is also 1000 is also written in brackets and semicolon. Where the sentence is completed, the semicolon is also written, or these brackets are written. In the last, IR receiver dot resume. These are loop brackets again, semicolon, and this is the bracket. Not only one, there is another will be down. There are two brackets in the left which are paired in with these two brackets. It's in their faces are towards the right and these faces are towards left. They are all in number, same in number, 3 in left side, towards left side, and 3, 1, 2, 2, and this is the 3, 1. 3 are written towards right side and the 3 are written towards, will face towards left side. Yes, 1, 2, 3. As the number of these brackets will be equal to left side and right side in equal, then the code will be in work position. Otherwise, there will be fault. Now we have written the code to find out the codes of different keys of our remote. These are the two groups of writings, first pair and the second wide loop and wide setup. And in the start we have written hash include IR remote dot HPP. For IR receiver we have select the pin A0 on the Arduino from analog pins. I have already made board for to display you. This is the board for to display you our connection diagrams. We are needed to find out the hex codes of our remote keys. Arduino, this is the Arduino sketch I have shown. This is the receiver we needed. Its right leg is contacted to the 5 volts positive, and the central line is connected to the ground, and its left leg is connected to the pin A0. This is A0. As in the our after finding our hex codes, we can start with our remote. All these 10, 8, 10 LEDs, digital light outputs with our remote. We will discuss this later in detail with the 8 LED on-off program. Now we start our finding of hex codes of our remote keys. There are some remotes with me. This is our remote. We will find its hex codes. Then there is another AC/DC fan remote. We will find its hex codes to be used for light on off. This remote may be our very helpful for to make our home smart room. IR remote with IR remote. This remote can be used. Its keys, timer keys, we can use for our lights on up, and the speed keys will be used for the fan speed keys. We can get from market any remote we like. We need small remote, NEC remote, Sony remote. This is another remote which will we try today how we find hex codes of different keys of our remote to be used, which will be used afterwards in our programming of on-off fan, on-off motor, on-off AC, and speed motor speed control. Now we start to find our hex codes. For this purpose, we short it, and this is the code, our code, and we can make it enlarge it in this way, and we will select tools. First of all, we will upload our sketch. This is our sketch. This is our software program which we have written to find the hex code of our IR remote. Select tools. Then there is, I have told you the Arduino UNO. We will will select the port COM. We should select, in this case there is COM port is 10, maybe different 7 or other, but the board we have find its COM port is 10. First of all, we will upload the code from this key. This key is to save our program. We will click it in program setting. We can verify from here. After verifying, we can verify this. This will be shown over here. Yes, code is good. Then we will upload the code from here, this circular key with arrow. Click it. The code is uploading. This is it complete, and it's writing as done uploading over here in the last lower corner. Now we can open our serial monitor from the tools, and then serial monitor. This is the serial monitor. This is our serial monitor. Now, with the help of this remote, we start to find hex codes of this remote. Yes, this is our first key, hex code, on-off key. This is the hex code of our remote, first key, on-off key, raw data, as we have write in the sketch. Raw data, this is the hex code, and this is the decimal code also given. It's same as you can see, only the difference is 0x. 0x, if we cut it 0x, then the code is same as written in the decimal. The same way we will find it next key, next keys, next keys. This is all keys we can find our hex code from our I will display you the kit afterwards. And it's the time we study the hex code finding. These are the codes. This code remote has 9 keys. Then we delete this from the second remote. This is the remote we have. This 1 hour key, 2 hour key, 4 hour key, 6 hour key, and 8 hour key. This is the remote of our DC fan, ceiling fan, which we can use for the purpose of to on off our lights also if we want. These are the its codes, raw data, this as written. This is the code 0xEF10 7ED8. The same 7ED8, 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 7ED8 in the same remote. This will be written in our programming for microchips and Arduino and for our on-off speed control, any programming, remote control programming. We need these codes and we will find these in this way. In the third remote, we have from the market. We will also, there are so many keys in this remote. We can select with our own choice which keys are we have to select for on off, which for 1 speed, 2 speed, 3rd speed, one first light, second light, third light, fourth light on off. And these are so many keys. The first upper keys can be used. We tried these also. It's the first key, on off key. It's the code for on off key, raw data. This is the code for on off key on the large remote we have got from the market. There are so many small remotes, but in the same way you can find their hex codes. This is decimal code, the same as written here, except 0x. In the first number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and then number 7, number 8, 9, 10, so many. We can find all the remote keys, hex codes. Then we can use after due according to our needs in our programming. You should write down these codes, find the hex codes to your copy or in the window as you can. Then will be used in the programming of on. Now we study, we see our remotes kit to find the hex code and to be used for our programming, as I have show you the this it is the diagram. For this purpose we can make 10 LEDs on off, 10 outputs, 8 outputs, 4 outputs, 2 outputs. We will use only the output given on Arduino. Two first output we will use two 0, 1 are TX and RX outputs. This may be inputs. So we will use only digital outputs from 2 to 12 or 13. The connections should be very right. The all LEDs long leg are connected to the Arduino, and the short leg, negative leg, is joined to the ground. These are the small legs to be ground. This is ground. This is ground. And the long legs of LEDs are positive legs are attached to the Arduino with the resistors. 330 ohm resistors, 330 ohm resistors, or 470 ohm resistors. For safety, it's necessary to reduce the current. This is our reset switch. This is our USB to connect the PC, this jack, and this jack is to be for supply from our transformer, outer supply. This should be noted very careful for this purpose. The USB should be should not be there. Supply of USB should not be there from computer as we use this jack of 5 volt to 9 volt. The lead from the our PC to this Arduino, there are 5 volts, but in the pin which is a charging pin of laptop, our PC charging pin, we in shape is same to be used over here. It should not be used. Charging lead of our PC should not be used to supply either there the voltage 12 volt, because the charging lead has 19 volts. If you will use the charging lead of laptop over here, the program will be damaged. The Arduino will be damaged. It will not work. You should strictly avoid this. This is our 10, 8 light on off. First, we will, in the next program, we will on off these lights only at this time. We can see a small short this is the program for 8 key on off. We will compile it first, upload it. It is uploaded. Then now we can use our LED on off, and then first, second, third, fourth. I have connected only second LED to our to light on off to show you. This program will be discussed in the next program. I will provide you its diagram, its connection, etc. in the next program. We will meet again. Thank you so much. If you like this program, then subscribe it so that you may get next program. Like it and share it to your friends, and comment as to tell you our mistakes, shortcomings, and we can improve that. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.